Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add custom shipping rates in Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So you have two options for that. First, you can head over to your products and choose the product you want to set the shipping. Then scroll down and you will be able to see if you have shipping detail in here. And if you want to add your custom information, you can do that. Or what you can do is simply head over to your home page, head over to your settings, and then under customer accounts we have shipping and delivery. We can add our custom deliveries in here. So you can add delivery customization and choose your preferred rates for that. So you can see you have packages and all of these settings. So that's how you can easily add custom shipping rates in Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.